Hello everyone, welcome to my channel IT Sector Tales. In this video, we'll be installing Python in Windows 10 and writing a sample program in it. Let's get started.
For installing Python, we will go to the official Python website, python.org. Here, hover over the Downloads tab and click on Windows. I'm using a Windows PC. This is the latest version available for Windows. I'll click on Python 3.8.3. Go all the way down. Here is the executable installer for Windows 64-bit PC, which is my configuration. To save some time, I've already downloaded the installer. So this is the installer here. I'll go ahead and double click it. This is the installation wizard for Python. I will click on add Python 3.8 to my path variable. I will go ahead and customize installation. I don't want the documentation for now. I want all of these components. I'll click next. I'll install it for all users on this machine and download these as well. This is the file location where Python will be downloaded and installed. Installed. It's already downloaded. And I'll go ahead and click install. So the setup was successfully installed. I'll close this. Now to confirm Python is installed properly, I'll go to command prompt and type Python space hyphen capital V. Okay, so it displays the correct version, that is Python is installed properly. Now we'll go ahead and create a Python project in Eclipse. Okay, so currently the Eclipse is working on Java perspective here. It is used for creating Java projects. So I need to download Python libraries in it as well. So what you have to do is go to help and click on install new software. Here type http pydev.org updates. Hit enter. So these are the libraries. For now, I will only install PyDev. Click next. I'll select PyDev for Eclipse and click next. Okay, I'll accept the license agreements and click finish. So the software here in the progress bar, as you can see, is being installed. It's asking me to restart Eclipse now. So I'll go ahead and click restart now. Okay, so Eclipse is restarted now, but still the perspective is Java. We need to add one more thing here. We have to go to Window and go to Preferences. Go to PyDev, expand interpreters and go to Python interpreter. Here we have to add the exe for Python, which we were using. So we installed Python at this particular location. From here, I have to select the Python exe. I will select this particular python.exe and click open. I'll click OK. Yeah, I'll need all of these libraries. I click OK. So following libraries have been loaded and now I'll go ahead and click apply and close. So once the path is added there, we will click on this particular icon to select the PyDev perspective and click open. Now you see the PyDev perspective is selected and previously we were working on Java. But it will display all the projects which you have created in this particular workspace. I'll go ahead and create a new PyDev project. I'll name it as Python project 1. I'll click finish. Here I will create a new file named as hello world. Make sure to select the project in which you are adding the file here. Hit finish. So here I will add a simple print statement to print hello world. To run this program, I'll click on this icon here. Okay, this is my console window. Yes, so it's displaying hello world. So that means our Python project and class is working properly with Eclipse. That's it for today's video. Hope it was useful. Please hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.